Welcome back to the DIY Pub. Today we're going to do a little review on the Ryobi 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. 1.2 gallons a minute. So stay tuned and we're going to get back into it. We got to do a little other project. It's going to be in a whole nother video of doing stucco repair. Stay tuned. 25 foot hose. It's got a turbo nozzle for up to 50% more cleaning power. Onboard soap tank for easy detergent application. Wheels for easy transport. Telescoping handle for compact storage. Durable metal roll cage frame. Onboard accessory storage for user convenience. Metal spray wand with quick connect nozzle coupler. And like I said, 25 foot non-marrying high pressure hose. But that seems like a pretty good deal. Let's see how it does. And I'm gonna do a little movie magic so y'all don't have to watch me do this. Like, boom. So now you see we got it. It was fairly simple. We just pretty much had to put the wheels on. Had I'm missing this little cap piece goes on, but there was a through bolt and just a cotter pin on the other side, real simple. And we put this handle on, which was just 2 Phillips heads, just 2 screws, and boom, you're ready to go, ready to pressure wash. So let's give this thing a try. Let y'all get a little close-up. Premium electric pressure washer. Okay, we'll see what that's about. We're gonna add a little soap in there, probably maybe a little bleach form. Actually, bleach? No, is a no-go. Okay, I gotta read a little more, but apparently you don't want to put bleach in this guy, so we're gonna stay away from bleach. So we got the soap on, off, real simple. Handle, button, boom. Here we go. We're gonna try it out. All right, before we start, I do want to give you guys a little quick disclaimer. You know, I am not a trained professional with pressure washing by any means. I'm just giving you guys my experience, and you guys can see firsthand what you think about this thing. Tell me what you think. But I did want to bring out a little point of safety. I mean, since it is electric, you want to be careful of where you place your cord. I'm being as safe as putting it all the way over top of the stool. I know I'm not coming anywhere near that. So just keep that in mind. Don't be silly with electricity and water. All right, back to the video. Comes with this blue one, which is just a pre-soak with soap. Then you got this orangish yellow, I guess I will just call it orange, which is supposed to be like a 15-degree. Not really sure what that means, but the check marks indicate that this is kind of like an overall all-in-one thing. And the one that we've been using is right here. It's supposed to be like the Ultra. It has more of a, how do I say, abrasive, that's the word I'm looking for. Has more of abrasive flow, and I mean, yeah, that's about it. All right, so they say before you plug it in, you want to hook the hose up before you got any power. Stretch out that hose, make sure you ain't got no kinks in either one of your hoses, and you're just gonna pull that trigger until water shoots out. So a nice flow. So I think the point of doing that is, so you actually, I've heard of people not making sure water's all the way through the line and actually burning up the pressure washer. Believe it or not, on the first time of using it, first or second time, they forget to do that, turn it on without making sure you got water going through it. But anyway, I just used I actually used a little bit of clothes detergent. It's supposed to be non-phosphorus. And yeah, let's see what it does. I'm gonna pressure wash my house. Let's go. So first, we're just gonna spray it down with some soap, and then we're gonna pressure wash it off. See right here, my stucco's cracking. We're gonna be doing a video on repairing that, and we're gonna repaint this stucco. But good. I just pre-soaked it with a little bit of detergent, soap, and we're about to put the pressure on it now. So y'all might not want to open up the door. All right, let's see it. concrete, how easy it gets it off with the turbo nozzle. Alright, we're gonna finish it up. Got my refill. Here we go. We can kind of see the difference. If you guys look, I'm not the best pressure washer, although I am going to be repainting this. I'm just trying to knock most of the dirt and mud off of this. So you can see that crack. I'm going to be filling that and repainting over. But I didn't pressure wash any of this. I did pressure wash some of this. Now most of what you see here is actually just water, dirty water. That's not actually the concrete that's still dirty. This is like dried up concrete. I don't know what that is. But they got a few spots of that all over. But yeah, most of what you see is actually just, I gotta sweep this out, re-level it. That's probably gonna be a whole nother video project. Tell me what you guys think in the comments and what you guys think I should do, because it's holding water in certain spots. I wonder if I should pour concrete or should I maybe put some bricks like how that is all the way across. Comment below, tell me what you guys think I should do. But I mean, it didn't get everything off. You see, I showed you guys earlier what it looked like, but you know, you can see all these little debris all over. It did knock some off. That's why I said the black one, the premium, more abrasive one, has a little more power behind it. It knocks some of it off. It's really not that noticeable. Like I said, I'm gonna be painting over it. So I'm not super worried about that. I was just trying to knock most of the dirt, grime, and had a lot of organic material. We see that dark spot, that was a bunch of dirt daubers were up there. So I did try to spend more time on the darker spots. And that's where probably you see it started chipping and stuff like that. So I just stopped over here. It was really dark. A lot of the material came off. I don't think I'm really too concerned because I'm about to paint over it anyway. I just wanted to get all that junk off. But overall, I mean, I did just the framing. I was kind of scared to hit the windows itself because I didn't know if it was going to break it or something. But that's just some tape here. Peel that off. A little bit of dirt I left on there. See, I'm not the best pressure washer. But it did an alright job, you know, for a $200 pressure washer. You know, a little DIY pressure wash. Do it yourself. Wasn't too bad. They got an attachment for for driveways and patios. I'm probably eventually going to get, and I'll run that through. Like I said, this will be a whole nother video, but yeah, this was the review on the Ryobi 2000 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute. Besides me missing a bunch of spots, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. The link will be in the description below. So once again, until next time, you guys stay safe. Be the change you want to see. You know, there's a lot of bad stuff happening in the world. So I'll catch you on the next one. Comment, subscribe, like if you liked it. Love you guys.